Hey there, this is a short practice to help you reset and recharge your energy. Go ahead and get into a comfy seat. Maybe lie down and let your body relax. We'll begin with a minute of conscious breathing. Inhale for a 4 count and exhale for a count of 6. So inhale slowly through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale gently through your mouth. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Continue at your own pace for a few rounds. And feel free to change the count as needed. Keep in mind in the back of your head that each inhale is bringing in fresh energy, and each exhale is releasing fatigue. Now imagine a soft, flowing light moving through your body. With each breath in, this light fills you with clarity, warmth, and calm. And with each breath out, imagine releasing any heaviness, stress, or stuck energy. Let it flow out of the body with ease. For the next few rounds, continue at your own pace, breathing in light and breathing out fatigue. Now gently invite a sense of compassion towards yourself. No matter how your energy has been today, you are allowed to rest and reset. For the next few moments, take the slowest, most refreshing breaths here. Take a final breath in and a long breath out. Notice how even a small pause in your day can restore a little bit of energy. And return to your day feeling just a little more refreshed. And until next time, have a good one.